fraction of our brain's true potential. Now, that's when we're awake. When we're asleep, our mind can do almost anything, such as, well, imagine you're designing a building, right? You consciously create each aspect, but sometimes it feels like it's almost creating itself, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, like I'm discovering.
Genuine inspiration, right? Now, in a dream, our mind continuously does this. We create and perceive our world simultaneously, and our mind does this so well that we don't even know what's happening. That allows us to get right in the middle of that process.
How?
By taking over the creating part. Now, this is where I need you. You create the world of the dream. You bring the subject into that dream, and they feel it with their subconscious.
How could I ever acquire enough detail to make them think that it's real?
Well, dreams, they feel real while we're in them, right? It's only when we wake up that we realize something is actually strange. Let me ask you a question. You never really remember the beginning of the dream, do you? You always wind up right in the middle of what's going on. dreams, they feel real while we're in them, right?
Eu, não está nos novos, nas pessoas,